In this video, I will show you how to fix the Instagram message unavailable error. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reopen the Instagram app and check if the message loads. Next, close Instagram completely and open it again. If the problem continues, head to your phone's App Store and check if there's an update available for Instagram. Installing the latest version can often fix messaging issues. After that, go to your phone's settings, find Instagram, and clear the app's cache if you're using Android. If you're using an iPhone, you can offload or reinstall the app to remove temporary files. You should also check whether Instagram is experiencing a temporary outage. If the servers are down, you'll need to wait until the issue is resolved. If the message is still unavailable, it's possible that the sender deleted the message, unsent it, deactivated their account, blocked you, or the content is no longer available. In those cases, there's nothing you need to fix on your device. Finally, log out of your Instagram account, sign back in, and check your messages again. If the issue still persists, reinstall Instagram and try once more. That's it. That's how you can fix the Instagram message unavailable error. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.